going on, everyone? So the lawn treatment has been completed. The process was, if you had seen the first video, you saw the parts. I believe this is part 5 where we're done. And I'll let it sit, get a nice dew. I think I'm gonna come through here also and do another 10 pounds of frass powder on top of this grass straw. It's good. It's good to coat everything. This place is very lacking in nutrients and organic matter. A lot of runoff. The gentleman finally took care of the water issues he was having on his backyard. So now it's time to amend, and we did. It took me 2 days to do all this by hand. We used about 400 pounds of biochar, and then we used 50 gallons of frass ferment. And we put it in the ground here, and we're gonna see what happens. I know maybe not this year, maybe because you're gonna plant in a week, and I'm unsure if it will take. We'll see what happens. I know some of it will, definitely, because I was using a ferment I had going for 2 months, so I know some of these areas are really primed. But some of the areas I just did that ferment, it was only a 5-day, and it was so cold here, so I know that it probably broke down some, but the enzymes probably, everything's reaction is really slow, which is great. I love that. But what I'm doing here, it would be nice to have that ferment really pop off in like 80 degrees, for 5 days. That would have been sweet, but it's all right. Nature will still work, and got a lot of area treated, so really excited. And I'll show you guys the results probably next year. Definitely, I'll keep to it. I'll definitely be back around this area to show you guys the results, because land remediation isn't something that happens overnight. It takes a little bit of time. You let nature work. You give it, you assist it, you give it what it needs to do what it's got to do, and that's all. And it takes time, and that's slow. The slow mentality is the best mentality, because when you go slow, you don't really make mistakes, and nature doesn't make mistakes. So that's what we're doing. Take care.